Set language. In our daily life, we often deal with collection of objects like books, stamps, etc. Set language is a mathematical way of representing a collection of objects. To get better understanding, we see some examples. In the first figure, it is collection of fruits. And in the second figure, it is a collection of household items. In these examples, our attention turns from one individual object to a collection of objects based on their characteristics. Any such collection is called a set. The object of a set are called its members or elements. Set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Example, collection of fruits and collection of rainbow colors. To know about this well-defined collection of objects, let me see some more examples. In these examples, collection of books and collection of vegetables are well defined and therefore they are sets. Collection of intelligent student is not well defined because the word intelligent is difficult to agree on. I might consider a student to be intelligent, but you may not. So we will consider only those collections to be sets where there is no such comparisons. Notation. A set is usually denoted by capital letters of the English alphabets. The elements of the set are denoted by small letters of the English alphabets. The elements of a set written within curly brackets. The element is represented by the symbol epsilon. If X is an element of set A, that is X belongs to A, we write it as X is an element of A, that is we have to write the symbol epsilon in between X and A. If X is not an element of set A, X does not belongs to A, we write it as X is not an element of A. That is, we have to cancel that epsilon symbol in between X and A. Exercise 1.1, question number 3. Consider the following sets. Set A equal to 0, 3, 5, 8. Set B equal to 2, 4, 6, 10. And set C equal to 12, 14, 18, 20. First, state whether true or false. First one, 18 is an element of set C. So see here, this 18. This 18 is in the set C. So therefore, 18 is the element of set C, hence it is true. Second question, 6 is not an element of A. This 6 element, go to set A. 6 is here? No. Therefore, the set A does not contain the element 6, hence it is true. Third question, 14 is not an element of set C. So now, here 14 is in set C. Therefore, 14 is the element of set C, hence the statement is false. Fourth one, 10 is element of B. So here go to the B elements. 2, 4, 6, 10. 10 is here. Therefore, 10 is the element of set B. Hence the statement is true. Second subdivision, fill in the blanks. 3 is an element of dash. So here, see here, 0, 3, 5, 8. 3 is an element of set A. Therefore, the answer is 3 is an element of set A. Second question, 14 is an element of dash. So see here 12, 14, 18 and 20 all are sets of C. So therefore 14 is an element of set C. Third one, 18 dash B. So you have to find whether it is an element or not an element. Go to B elements. Here Only 2, 4, 6, 10 is there. 18 is not there. Therefore, 18 is not an element of set B. Fourth subdivision, 4 dash B. You have to find whether it is an element or not an element. Now you go to 4. Here the 4 is in set B. So it is an element. So the answer is 4 is an element of set B.